This is how to set the clock on your Transit Custom. This is a 2016-2017 model. I'm going to be setting the clock up in the corner and switch it off, the date at the bottom. As you can see, it's a bit out for a 2017 model. So start off, turn the radio on, and we're going to be using the 4 up and down arrows and the OK button in the middle. Okay, so we start with menu, pretty much the last time we'll use that one. Then using the down arrow, we're going to go to clock settings and then right, set time, OK, and then you go up and down, fairly straightforward, up and down, press OK, you go back to that one, down for the date, press press OK, and then same again, up and down, and right for the get rid of 2020 finally. Press the OK button, you're back to the menu, and you can either go left or just press the menu button, left again, then press the menu and again, and you're back to your radio. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.